So far, I'm really digging this little Insta360 GO Ultra. I'm going to go real quick and do a little run. I need some lunch. And to be honest with you, after I get done doing this, I've got some film editing and stuff to do. And I'm probably going to be watching some K-dramas on Netflix. Don't judge me. They're freaking good. Okay? I've actually been enjoying them. Check out Bon Appetit. You'll actually like this. So let's run to town real quick and let's grab something to eat, come back, and I'll tell you what another little aspect of this Insta360 GO Ultra that I'm enjoying. Actually, can I order a cheeseburger basket?
No, you cannot.
You sure? Don't be mean today.
Name?
Mike. You know my
name?
Mike.
Mike.
I'm so glad I'm catching all this on film.
No, you're not. Oh, you are. Are you really? Are you really? Is that the one you were talking about?
Yeah.
It's cute.
I know it is, isn't it? So that's the body of it right there. It fits into that. You can hold it and look. You can see right here on the back. There you are. See you later. Got to get some fuel real quick, so at the gas station. Extra wallet. Pretty much everything I'm really enjoying about this Insta360 GO Ultra. Compact, lightweight. One of the downsides though is I've got to order some new hardware, the quick connect mounts, because I've been using DJI and I don't have any of the Insta quick connect mounts. They're slightly different, so I'm gonna have to get those. What am I looking for? I need some crackers. Hey, where are the crackers at?
This side.
Yep, there we go. Y'all keep moving everything around. You don't mock me.
I know, because I was the one who moved them.
That was a very mockery tone. Well, I'm ready to check out. Alrighty, hamburger. I'll see you later. You have a good day.
You too. See you tomorrow?
Yep. And there we go. I am going to have a picnic lunch sitting out here on my deck. That's the Insta360 GO Ultra. What'd you think of the footage? Drop a comment below. Tell me what you would like to see me do with this particular camera. There we go. Insta360 GO Ultra. Talk to you guys later.